So today we're going to be testing out the official Samsung front protection film for the brand new Galaxy Z Fold 5. I will be doing the full installation, we will see if it's case friendly, and I'm going to also be doing a scratch test. So make sure you stick with me to the end of the video. And by the end, you'll know whether or not this screen protector is worth your time. I will also be putting links in this video's description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. So let's get started. So we get two film screen protectors, a squeegee, an installation guide, and some stickers. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your phone and lay it face down. Then we need to just clean off the front of our screen. Then take your installation guide. We're going to remove the little stickers on each side here, and then place the guide right down in the bottom right hand corner of your phone. Just press that into place. Then take one of your screen protectors. We're going to peel off this number 1 here. Going to turn this upside down and then put the little guide with the posts on the guide here. And then make sure that the little camera cutout lines up with the camera on your phone. All right, once you have that in place, just run your finger over this little spot where the sticker was. Then take your squeegee. We're going to put it right behind this line right here. We're going to lift up on this part here. Make sure that it goes up and over your phone and just squeegee out. Then we're going to turn the phone around. Then we're going to put our squeegee behind the line right here. Then we're going to lift up on the screen protector, releasing it from the guide. Then we're going to remove the whole guide itself. Lift up on the screen protector, make sure it goes up and over our phone. And then just squeegee out. Then just try to squeegee out any bubbles you might see. Once that's done, very carefully remove the top protector from the screen protector, making sure it doesn't take the screen protector with it. So it does look like we have some bubbles in the middle of the screen because it seems like there's like some dust stuck underneath and over on the side here as well. But the rest of the screen protector looks pretty good. As you can see, we have something stuck under the screen there, in the middle, and off to the side here. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Installation was also pretty easy. As far as the touch goes, it's got a little bit of grip to it. Not too bad. As far as fingerprints goes, it does seem to pick up some fingerprints, but we can very easily just wipe those away. Not a problem. It looks pretty good. Let's test out our touch. Touch seems to be working just fine. No issues there. And it is also crystal clear. And again, we have that cutout for our selfie camera, so you don't have to worry about the screen protector interfering with that. And if we look at the front of the phone, we can see that there is a slight gap all the way around the phone, so it should be case friendly. Now let's see how well it fits with our case. It seems to go right up to the edge of the case itself. I don't see any lifting. Everything seems to be good. On the side here, it does look like there is a slight gap, but other than that, not too bad. So if you do have a case, this screen protector should work just fine with it. But again, the only way to really tell is to use it with your specific case. So now, because this screen protector is not tempered glass, it's not going to be the best protection for drops, but it will definitely protect your screen from scratches. And right now, we're going to be doing the scratch test to see how durable it really is. Now, tempered glass typically starts to scratch around a level 6, but again, this is just film, so it could scratch anywhere between a level 2 or a 3. So here I have my Moz pick. We're going to start off with a level 2, which the tip is just plastic. So it doesn't seem like it's scratching at all with the plastic tip. So now let's move on to the level 3, which is a copper tip. And already it's making deep gouges in the screen protector that will not recover. So this screen protector's scratch resistance is pretty typical. There are other screen protectors out there that will start to deform around a level 2. So this is definitely a little better than that, but as you can see, it won't go past a level 3. So installation for the screen protector was pretty easy. It does seem to be case friendly. Fingerprints rejection seems to be okay, and like I said, scratch resistance seems to be on par with other similar film screen protectors. So like I said before, if you're not worried about drop protection and you just want to protect your screen from scratches, the Samsung front protection film will definitely do that for you. I would recommend this, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. So now we do have scratches on the screen protector, but if you want to remove the screen protector, all you need to do is simply lift up in one of these corners and then just take off the protector. And as you can see, your phone screen is protected. So again, I will be putting a link in the video description in case you guys want to pick this up. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.